You guys, it's moving day! Welcome to Florida, girl. When it comes to the kitchen, my favorite part are these cabinets. Look how much cabinet space I have. My pantry is top and bottom. But that's like $2,300. That two-piece couch is $1,700. $1,700. Oh, it's me. Hi, can you see me? Hi. It's an actual like bathtub. Like it even has the part for the headrest. That's 10 out of 10. Wait, this is just one? How many I need? Two, right? It's $20. It's $20 for two. Okay. Welcome to the world. It is officially the end of an era. I am leaving the only place I ever called home since I was a child. It's hitting me. It's happening. In a few hours, I will be on the road. You hear that echo? Echo! Oh, oh, oh. It's so empty in here. It's just weird to look at this room and like, that's it. Goodbye, New York City. Goodbye, childhood home. And it's just a see you later to my family. So I'm just really excited for this next chapter. I'm so excited. I'm about to take a shower and then get a little nap in and hopefully be on the road by 3 in the morning. So I get so silent. This is exciting. It's definitely worth the wait. This I can already feel it. This is gonna be worth everything. All right, so it is 3:11 in the car. Sister's in the back. All the bags packed back here from what you can see, which is not much. And then the trunk is completely stuffed, waiting for my mom to come downstairs. And we'll be on our way. It like, at this moment, doesn't really feel real. It's gonna hit though, the closer we get. The 2 hours, 20 minutes left until we reach Georgia. The drive is going by pretty fast actually. It's not as intense. No, you know what, to be honest, I didn't even think it was gonna be intense, but I thought it was gonna feel long. But we were in Virginia within, I think like 3 hours, right? Got to Virginia. A little over 3 hours, which is crazy because last time we drove to Virginia it took a little over 5 hours. Maybe it's because there's no traffic today. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but no complaints here. But I just wanted to check, that's hot. I just wanted to check in with you guys, and I guess I will see you when we are in Georgia. It's a bit loud over here, but we made it to Savannah. Y'all, honestly, I'm just ready for a nap. I'm so tired. It hit me like the last hour and a half. I started zoning out and I was like, whoa. Yeah, it's time to get this drive over and done with. And we made it in perfect timing too because it started raining like just now. So the plan is everyone to settle in. Some naps might be taken. And then, no, I didn't see anyone. And then we're gonna go to Dollar General and start getting some goodies, some goods for the new apartment, It is about an hour later. We are at Dollar General. We're gonna see what they have in here. It doesn't look like they have much, but see if they at least have some good cleaning supplies. I can get that because I'd like to get to the apartment already with my cleaning supplies. That way I can just, you know, get her done. I just want to show you guys some of the cleaning goods that I got. So obviously dishwashing liquid is a must. Even though I have a dishwasher, I do hand wash a lot of dishes, so gotta get that. Fabuloso, a must. I didn't grow up in a Spanish household, but I grew up in a Spanish neighborhood, so I know about this. This is the good stuff. This is for insects. It's an insect killer. I heard good things about this, so hopefully it works. Drain clogger, because you have to prepare for the future. It happens. I have a glass cleaner. I got 2 Clorox wipes. I got this to clean my shower with. It seems like it smells good, grapefruit. My fear is that it'll attract insects because of the smell, but probably not. Dryer sheets because I love my clothes to smell good. The all-purpose cleaner that I got, mango and hibiscus. It just seems like it smells so heavenly. On TikTok, I've seen a lot of this. So got this. Stove and oven is a must. It has to be cleaned always. Just some sponges. These are some toilet tablets. It keeps the toilet from staining. And then just some Kleenex to have in the bathroom. Some feminine products. And then my hand soap. The goods are secured, but look how cute my bags are. I needed some reusable bags, so I was like, let me buy some. But we're all stocked up. You guys, it's moving day! I'm so excited. So we have 3.5 hours left to drive until I am in my new home. If timed perfectly, I should get there maybe like 20 minutes before my move-in time. I'm so excited. Hey, beautiful people. Just want to... Y'all missed the way my mom just shook her. Thought I was talking to you. Just a quick update. So I did the walkthrough at the apartment, did my little inspection and all that good stuff. I'm in Dollar Tree right now, and this is prime location because there's a Walmart right next to this. No, this is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like the little I'll know when I see it, but yeah. But yeah, I popped into Dollar Tree just to get a few quick things before I head into Walmart to get a lot more few things. If that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, just to see. I do need to get a shower curtain liner from here. For sure, because even if I don't... No, I don't need that. No, don't need that. What was I gonna say? Even if I don't get my shower curtain today...
Yeah.
Which one?
Right here.
Oh, even if I don't get my shower curtain today, at least I will have a liner so that I can take a shower. Okay. Even if I don't get a shower curtain today, I'll have the liner so I can take my shower and be like, chef's kiss. Yeah, so before I moved, I was watching a lot of moving vlogs on YouTube because honestly, for all y'all who post moving vlogs, they're very, very helpful. I saw a lot of people come to Dollar Tree to get their glasses and stuff like this. I don't have it in me to do that. I can't do that. See? Nope. I'm about to break it. No, but I'm very particular when it comes to certain things like glassware and stuff like that. These are kind of cute though, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't need them because I bought some glasses, but these are cute. They're actually cute. $1.50. So far I just have a few like, let me show y'all real quick. I have plastic plates, plastic forks, knives, and spoons, obviously until I buy my dishes and stuff. Got some Halls, alcohol, ice pack, because one thing I always do is bump some part of my body very hard, right? Yeah, hard. And then have nothing to put ice on me. You can give it to me. Say hi. Butt deodorant, they're Suave, Blistex. I got the main thing I came in here for, my shower liners. And Band-Aid, they have like a little first aid kit thing, I got that. I think that's it. And my shower curtain ring. So that's it for now. Walmart will do some damage. Yeah, so I'm thinking. So I'm in the curtain aisle, right? Trying to find curtains for my living room because I feel like it's going to be easier than my bedroom because I don't know yet what color I want in my bedroom. So I want pops of like mauve because I don't want Pepto-Bismol pink. That's too much. So I found this. I found these, right? Which is not exactly mauve, but it's like a pale pink, and I feel like that might be easy because the only other thing I would need in the living room, those are garbage cans, for pops of color are, that was very up close, are decorative pillows. So I think I might give this a chance. And they're already 84 inches, which means they're gonna go to the floor, which I like that. I think I like that look. So I think I'm gonna do that. Wait, this is just one? How many I need? Two, right? It's $20. It's $20 for two. Okay.
Welcome to the world.
Oh, I need a curtain rod. No, because it's just blinds. So I'm gonna have to get a curtain rod. Get a step stool, and I could drill it. I gotta look at their drills and stuff. You guys, I love this mirror right here. This is the one. Don't mind the socks or sandals. I have to be comfy. But this is the one, and it comes in black. Oh, actually, this gray one could go in the living room, the color gray, because my kitchen and stuff has the gray. So that would tie in, and probably the black one for my bedroom, or this. Actually, this probably could go with the bedroom too, because I have like that tan stuff. I just need I didn't order that yet. I don't know the color I want. Maybe, I don't know, but that's the one, and it's only $62. Just left Walmart. Sister's pushing the goods. Are you excited shopping with me? No comment. Y'all, moving is expensive. I've heard it before, but actually being in the process of, it's unlocked, of actually moving. Woo! Woo! Man, all she does is talk. Just talk and talk and talk. It's so hot. I have no idea what I did with my keys. Where are my keys? Oh, in my pocket. So Walmart's done. Dollar Tree's done. We're gonna go to Marshall's because I want to get my drawer organization for my bathroom. And then I want to go to Rooms to Go as well because I need to find a couch. I don't have to secure the couch today, but I just want to start looking. So yeah.
About the storm. You see those dark clouds?
Yeah, I said that when we were coming out of Walmart.
Ooh,
look at them clouds are getting dark.
God dang.
Yeah.
God dang.
The forks are in one of those bags. You want?
What kind of fork? Oh,
she asked me for a fork. It's hot.
What, the watermelon?
Welcome to Florida, girl.
Yeah, all these storms.
Everything gonna get hot. You guys can even, I'm soaked right now. Look at it. Can you even see that? It's pouring. I don't even know how good you can see it. It's pouring down. I was like, we came out of Marshall's and it had started raining. I have my umbrella though, but the vibe was just not there. And then I'm standing out here. I was like, you know what? Let me come back to the car so that I can drop off. I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. I just got this hamper. I just threw it back there. And I have a new shower rod because the shower rod in my apartment is rusty and I don't do rust. I don't like rust, especially if I did not make the rust. Y'all, we made it to Rooms to Go. The rain has stopped. My feet are wet, but we are here. Let's hope they have some good selection. Y'all, this right here, so nice. Oh, it pulls out too. Nice. Oh, I'm not gonna pull that out, but it pulls out, this one. But that's like $2,300. I was thinking of putting a cute chair in my room, and look at this. I'm not gonna get this, but $600. This is like something if you just want to lounge, and because I don't have a patio, something like that would be good, like to read or to journal or something. But okay, so the good thing that he told us, shout out to Jose, the only Cubano, as he said in the store. He was like, you know, they show all the pieces, but it definitely comes smaller. What? That white couch or grayish? The thing I did want, like, what's it called? The L? But what is sectional, I think? That two-piece couch is $1,700. $1,700. Oh, it's me. Hi, can you see me? Hi. That's cute. 5 pieces are $2,000.
What you get?
5 pieces.
Chair, recliner, wedge.
Y'all, this is so cute. So something like this is what I'm actually looking for. Again, this is gray, and I really wanted more of like a beige type of vibe, but I definitely wanted the, what is this called? The chase? The lounge? What is this called? A chase, yeah, it's a chase. So for 4 pieces, it's $1,800. For 2 pieces, $1,000. Oh, so it would just be this from here to here. That's cute too. To be honest, I don't need a whole set. This to here. Yeah.
No, that can't be right because it gotta have. Where's the other arm? It should be 2 arms there.
Oh, it's this with this. So it's not these 2 pieces. It's this piece with these 2 pieces. Oh, I'm so zoomed in. Yeah. So for $1,000, you guys, you get these 2 pieces, right? 1, 2, and then you'll get the chase.
Not with that.
Just the chase.
No, look at this. Look at these.
The chase. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Nigel, look at the pillows in the back. 1, 2, 3. It gotta be those 3. And this.
Ma, this back pillow is with the chase.
Okay.
That's 1. Then there's 2 more.
So
this is the chase, and this is 2 more. The chase, and then 2 more. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. But it's cute. 1,900 for 5 pieces. 1,000 for 2 pieces. Like, a part of me is like, it's just me, so I don't need a huge couch.
I got a darker color over there.
That's blue. Oh, I mean, it could come in other colors too. Remember, he said it'll show if there's other colors. It's like it's just me, so I don't really need a huge couch. I mean, a huge couch would be nice. Like, the whole thing would be really nice to have. But do I actually need a whole couch like that? Like, this is cute, like a little love seat. It's just, my dream was a chase.
7 pieces for 13.
7 pieces for 1,400.
Oh, you get a table.
Oh, I don't want all that stuff. If purchased separately, 1,600 enough. Cause I don't need the table. I don't need the lamp. The love seat is $479. The sofa's $499. This is the love seat. That's $499, and then this is the sofa, $479. I don't know how much that is. Oh, that's the $1,609 purchased separately. So they're saying if you add all this extra stuff, you save $209 and you get $14. But this, I don't want all that stuff. I don't want it. So, and this is not my dream couch. You know what I mean, she cool. Oh, this is comfy though. I'm not gonna lie, this is comfy. But this, not my dream couch. Yeah, I only ever dreamed about doing this. So the fact that I'm actually furniture shopping right now, it's like, that is a big umbrella. The thing is huge. I aspire to have a patio that big that I could put an umbrella this big. This umbrella costs $2,000. Insane. Good morning, guys. So I woke up and realized that I did not show you anything pertaining to the new apartment. And now it's a little messy. It's the next morning. But I'll show you what I can. So this is the bedroom. This is the only room that has carpet. So this is the closet. This is the biggest closet I've ever had in my life. The fact that I can come in here and just like spin around. So I have all of these shelving. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big long one here, big long one here. This is the box for like where my Wi-Fi and stuff is connected. Did that last night. That was a hassle. I had to move everything in here because everything was in the laundry room and it was spilling out into the living room. So I put most of it in here, and then I have a few other things in the laundry room. But it's very spacious. Decorating is going to be fun. I have to unpack all of this stuff. By the way, none of this is clothing except for this. All of my clothes are coming on Tuesday because I shipped them just to make the drive easier. But yeah, I should turn the light on. I just don't feel like it. But this is my tub. It's an actual like bathtub. Like, it even has the part for the headrest. That's 10 out of 10. When it comes to the kitchen, my favorite part are these cabinets. Look how much cabinet space I have. My pantry is top and bottom. Then I still have all of the space down here. All of this, and then my dishwasher. It's the first time I'm having a dishwasher, so that's cool. My sink is really deep, really wide. So love that as well. Laundry room is messy. Still have all of this mess down here, but my laundry room is back there. Well, in here, and then yeah. Excited for the washer dryer. That works as well. But yeah, that's the little thing. I didn't show you my floors, but I have the gray hardwood floors. I have the gray hardwood floors, which I really like, and it ties in really well with the gray cabinets that I have. So that's good. But yeah, I gotta unpack all the stuff. Still have to clean because I only clean the bathroom. And mop the living room floor, and yeah.